Oh, welcome to the world of mensuration. There are many questions out here which are solved. Now, see number one. This is a figure having ABCD as a rectangle. You have to calculate the area of the shaded region, means yellow colored region. Here we have done it. Area of the shaded part is equal to area of rectangle minus area of triangles 1, 2 and 3. Triangles 1, 2 and 3. These are the three triangles. So once you find the area of the rectangle and then subtract the areas of these three triangles, you will be getting this answer. The answer is 73 square centimeter, as you can see over here. Just have a look. The area of the triangles, half into base into height. Here you can see. Finally we come at the answer 73 square centimeter. Now come to the second question. A rectangular garden. This is a rectangular garden. 80 meter by 40 meter is divided into 4 equal parts by cross paths, 2 cross paths, 2.5 meter wide. Find the area. Number one is area of the cross path. You have to find the area of the cross paths. And number two is area of unshaded part. Unshaded part means this one, this one, this one and this one. Now how to find it? Area of the path lengthwise is equal to 80 into 2.5, means 2.5 is the breadth and 80 is the length. You have to calculate it like this. This one. This is lengthwise and this is breadthwise. Then area of the path breadthwise is 40 into 2.5, that is 100 square meter. This is 200 square meter. The area of the common path is 2.5 into 2.5, that is 6.25 meter square. Now you have to subtract this. Area of the shaded region is equal to 200 plus 100 minus 6.25, that is 293.75 meter square. And area of the unshaded part is area of this rectangle minus area of the shaded region. This one. Now, number 3. An electric geyser is cylindrical in shape with outer diameter 74 centimeter and height 1.4 meter. If thickness of its walls is 2 centimeter, calculate the volume and the capacity. Now, this is the diagram. This is the geyser. Yeah, come back. If thickness of its walls is 2 centimeter, calculate the volume and the capacity. Now, radius is 74 by 2. This is 74. This is diameter. So you have to find the radius divided by 2. That is 37. Volume is pi r square h. Volume of a cylinder, formula is pi r square h. Now pi r square h gives us the volume 602360 centimeter cube. This one. Now capacity. Capacity is the volume of the inner cylinder. Capacity doesn't mean that volume of the outer cylinder. This was the volume of the outer cylinder. Now we have to calculate the volume of the inner cylinder. The volume of the inner cylinder is 22 into 37 minus 2 whole square. 37 minus 2, why? Because this is 2 centimeter in thickness. So we come at this conclusion. The capacity is 539000 centimeter cube, that is 539 liter, because 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. Coming to number 4, rectangular pit. A pit has been dug out. From there, the soil has been taken out. How much? The volume of this pit is 1.4 meter by 90 centimeter by 70 centimeter. You have to find this volume of the earth dug out divided by volume of one brick. How many bricks will be made? So if you find out the number of bricks is equal to volume of the earth dug out divided by volume of one brick, you will be getting the number of bricks, that is 1000. So here we come across this is the height of each brick. Number 5. A rectangular piece of tin of size 30 centimeter by 18 centimeter is rolled in two ways, once along its length and once along its breadth. Find the ratio of their volumes. Means lengthwise and breadthwise. If circumference is 30 centimeter, height is 18, the volume is pi r square h, pi r1 square h1. If pi r1 is 30, then for r1 is equal to 30 by 2 pi. Again, if r2, if circumference is 18 centimeter, height is 30 centimeter, therefore volume is pi r2 square h2. Here also we come across this thing. The volume is same for both. The ratio of the volumes is pi into r1 square into h1. Now this is pi r2 square h2. We come to the conclusion the ratio is 5:3. Number 6. A copper wire when bent in the form of a square encloses an area of 484 square centimeter. If the same wire is bent in the form of a circle, find its area. Now one side of a square is equal to root over 484 square centimeter, that is 22 centimeter. Therefore circumference of the circle is 22 into 4 centimeter, that is 88 centimeter. Therefore radius is equal to circumference divided by 2 pi, that is 88 into 7 circumference, and 2 into 22 is the 2 pi. So answer is 14 centimeter. And now we have to find the area. We know the radius. What is the area? 22 by 7 into r square, that means 14 into 14. We get 616 square centimeter. Question number 7. There is a trapezium out here. From the given diagram, calculate the length of AD. What is AD? This height, the perpendicular height. Number 2 is area of the trapezium ABCD. ABCD, area of this. And third is area of triangle BCD. BCD, this one. Now we have to use Pythagoras theorem. Here we have hypotenuse is 41 centimeter. This is 40 centimeter. We will be getting AD square from here. So AD square is equal to 41 square minus 40 square, that is 81. So AD is equal to 9 centimeter. Why 9? Because AD is equal to root over 81. Number 2 is area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium is half into height into sum of the parallel sides. Half into height into sum of the parallel sides is 55. Why? 40 plus 15 is 55. Now we get the answer 247.5 centimeter square. Number 3, area of the triangle BCD. Area of triangle BCD is equal to area of trapezium minus area of this triangle, that is triangle ADB. So 247.5 minus area of triangle ADB is 180 centimeter square, that is 67.5 centimeter square. Fine. So we come to number 8. The length, breadth and height of a cuboid are in the ratio 6:5:4. If its volume is 15000 cubic centimeter, find the dimensions, means you have to find the length, breadth and height, the surface area. The volume is 6x into 5x into 4x, that is, it is already given over here 15000. Therefore x cube is equal to 125. Therefore x is equal to cube root of 125, that is 5. Now length is 6 into 5, breadth is 5 into 5, height is 4 into 5. Therefore the surface area is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. We get this 3700 square centimeter. Now number 9. Number 9 is the square ABCD with sides of length 6 centimeter. Find point M on BC. such that area of triangle ABM is to area of trapezium ADCM is 1:3. Area of triangle ABM, this is area of triangle ABM, and area of trapezium ADCM, this is 1:3. Let BM is equal to x centimeter. We don't know this. Let this be x centimeter. Therefore, MC means this one. MC is equal to 6 minus x. The total is 6. We get 6 minus x. Therefore, area of triangle ABM is equal to half into base into height. That is half into 6 into x. That is 3x square centimeter. Hence, the required ratio is 3x by 3 into 12 minus x. That is 1:3. Therefore, 3x is equal to 12 minus x. Therefore, x is equal to 3. So, M is the midpoint of this figure. Number 10. The adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter. If the distance between the longer sides is 12 centimeter, find the distance between the shorter sides. Now let the distance between the shorter sides be x centimeter by condition 18 into x is equal to 12 into 24. That is x is equal to 16 centimeter. Number 11. The width of a rectangular room is 3 by 5 of its length x meter. If the perimeter is y meter, write an equation connecting x and y. Find the floor area of the room if its perimeter is 32 meter. Now length is equal to x meter, breadth is equal to 3x by 5 meter. Therefore perimeter is equal to 2 into x plus 3x by 5. That is 8x by 5 into 2. Hence by condition 8x into 2 by 5 is equal to y. Y is equal to 16x by 5. Therefore 5y is equal to 16x. Hence we get x is equal to 10. Breadth is equal to 3 by 5 into 10, that is 6 meter. Therefore area is equal to 6 into 10 meter square, that is 60 meter square. This is the answer. Number 12. Diagonals AC and BD of a parallelogram ABCD intersect at O. Given that AB is equal to 12 centimeter, this AB is equal to 12 centimeter, and perpendicular distance between AB and DC is 6. This is 6. Calculate the area of triangle AOD. AOD, this one. So AB is 12, DM is 6. Area of parallelogram is AB into DM, that is base into height. There is 12 into 6, 72 square centimeter. Therefore, area of triangle AOD is equal to 1/4. 1/4 the area of parallelogram. This is 18 square centimeter. Number 13. The area of a rhombus is 98 square centimeter. If one of its diagonals is 14 centimeter, what is the length of the other diagonal? As we know that area of rhombus is equal to half into product of diagonals, means one diagonal into another diagonal. Therefore, let another diagonal be x. So half into 14 into x is equal to 98. Therefore, x is equal to 14 centimeter. Number 14 is PQRS is a rhombus. This is a rhombus. If it is given that PQ is equal to 3 centimeter and height of rhombus is 2.5 centimeter, calculate the area. So rhombus is also a kind of parallelogram. We can find the area of the rhombus as area is equal to base into height, that is PQ into SM. We get 3 into 2.5, that is 7.5 square centimeter. Number 15. The internal dimensions of a rectangular room are 12 meter by 10 meter by 7 meter. It has 2 doors, this one and this one. 2 doors. So these are 2 doors and these are 3 windows. 3 windows of size 1 meter by 1.5 meter. The walls of the room are to be covered with wallpaper of 13 centimeter width. Find the cost of covering at the rate of rupees 10.50 per meter. Now we have to find the surface area of this room. Then we have to subtract area of 2 doors and area of 3 windows, and then we have to find the how much paper is required, the area of the paper required. So we get area of paper required is this 299 meter square. Now length of the paper required will be area divided by width. Width is given over here 13 centimeter. So we have to find the length. What is the length? Length is 23 meter. Now you have to find the cost of covering is equal to rupees 10.50 into 23, that is the length. That is 241.50. Number 6. If radii of two circular cylinders are in the ratio 6:7 and their heights are in the ratio 7:8, find the ratio of their curved surface area, CSA. The ratio of curved surface area is equal to 2 pi RH of the two circular cylinders. That is 3/4. Hence ratio of curved surface area is 3:4. Number 17. A cuboidal fish tank has length 30 centimeter, breadth 20 centimeter, height 20 centimeter, is placed on a horizontal table and it is 3/4. Remember this, 3/4 full of water. Find the area of tank which is in contact with water. Since it is 3/4 full, therefore the height will be 3/4 of 20, that is 15 centimeter. Now area required is 2 into length into height plus breadth into height plus length into breadth, because length into breadth is used only once. The top is not there. So 2 into length into height plus breadth into height is this, plus 30 into 20, that is LB. Now we get this as 2100 centimeter square. Number 18. A student takes a rectangular piece of paper 30 centimeter long and 21 centimeter wide. Find the area of the biggest circle that can be cut out from the paper. Biggest circle means if this is the rectangle, the biggest circle to be cut out from here is having a diameter of the width, diameter similar to the width of the rectangle, this one, this. So the diameter is equal to width, that is 21 centimeter. The radius is equal to 21/2. Therefore the area is 346.5 centimeter square. Number 19. The sum of radius and height of cylinder is 37 centimeter and total surface area, TSA, is 1628 centimeter square. Find out the height and volume of the cylinder. We know TSA is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. Given r plus h is equal to 37, 2 pi r into 37 is equal to 1628. Therefore 2 pi r is, value of 2 pi r is 44. Therefore r is equal to 7. Height is equal to 37 minus 7, that is 30 centimeter, and volume is pi r square h, that is 4620 centimeter cube. Now last one is number 20. A rhombus shaped field, this one, has green grass for 48 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much is the area of the field will each cow be getting? Now this is the longest diagonal, this is shorter diagonal. The longer diagonal is having 48 meter, this is 30 meter, this is 30 meter. So area of triangle DCB, we have to find area of triangle DCB and then multiply it by 2. So we get the area of the triangle is 432 meter square. Therefore area of the rhombus is 2 into 432, that is 864. Now area of the grass for each cow will be 864 divided by 48, because 48 cows were sent to graze. Now 864 divided by 48 is 18 meter square. Now this is the end of this mensuration. Now we will come back with another video of the same. Till then, goodbye.